Once again, welcome to all my dear students. According to your watching time, a very good morning, a very good afternoon, and a very good evening. Students, before this lecture, we have done 3 questions of this practice set 6.2. Now, in this practice set, 3 more questions are remaining. So, students, in this lecture, we are going to solve these remaining 3 sums. Which sums are remaining? Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. So students, see your question number 4. What is your question number 4? Students, your question number 4 is 2 poles of height 18 meter and 7 meter are erected on the ground. The length of the wire fastened at their tops in 22 meters. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Once again, read the question. 2 poles of heights 18 meter and 7 meter are erected on the ground. Means in this question we have 2 poles. Length of one pole is 18 meter and length of other pole is 7 meter. They are erected on the ground. ग्राउंड पर ऐसे इरेक्टेड है. इरेक्टेड मतलब सीधा ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर है. द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर फास्टेंड. दिस इज नॉट फास्टेंड, दिस इज फास्टेंड. इन दिस वर्ड टी इज इन साइलेंट. एंड देयर टॉप्स इन 22 मीटर्स. फाइंड द एंगल मेड बाय द वायर विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू कैन मेक correct diagram according to the information given in the question, then you can solve the problem very easily. Important क्या होता है ऐसे क्वेश्चन में? हमने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा, उसमें क्या इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. If according to the given information we can make a correct diagram, then students you can solve very easily. So in this question 2 poles are given. Length of one pole is 18 meter and length of other pole is 7 meter. They are erected on the ground. So students, question number 4 is 2 poles are given. Suppose that this is first pole, this is our ground. Suppose that this is ground and this is first pole, and let first pole be represented by AB whose length is 18 meter. इसका लेंथ कितना है? 18 मीटर. एंड सेकेंड पोल लेट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय CD. इट्स लेंथ इज 7 मीटर. 2 poles are there erected on the ground. In previous lecture we told you when poles are given, when trees are given, when building temple, church, they are considered always perpendicular to the ground. So students, these poles consider perpendicular to the ground and their tops, top of pole AB is A and top of the pole CD is C. Their top fastened by a wire. इसके टॉप को एक वायर से फास्टन किया गया. फास्टन मींस टाई, मतलब इसके टॉप को बांध दिया है. किससे टाई किया गया है? बाय अ वायर हुज लेंथ इज 22 मीटर. हुज लेंथ इज 22 मीटर. फाइंड द एंगल मेड बाय द वायर. फाइंड द एंगल मेड बाय द वायर विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? एंगल मेड बाय दिस वायर विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल. ये जो वायर है ना, हॉरिजॉन्टल के साथ में कितना एंगल बना रहा है वो हम लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. AC इज वायर एंड इट्स एंड पॉइंट इज पॉइंट A एंड पॉइंट C. वी कैन ड्रॉ हॉरिजॉन्टल पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट C. C से पास हो रहा है, ऐसा हॉरिजॉन्टल हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. और यहां से भी हम लोग हॉरिजॉन्टल ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. बट दीज 2 एंगल्स आर इक्वल बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ alternate angle. So students, you can draw only this horizontal. Suppose that this point is E. Now write down here which segment represent what? Let segment AB and segment CD represent the poles. क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? पोल्स. Where length of AB is given that 18 meter. This is first pole. Its length is given that 18 meter, and second pole is CD and its length is given that 7 meter. And AB is 18 meter, CD is 7 meter, and student AC represent a wire. AC क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? वायर, एंड इट्स लेंथ इज गिवन दैट 22 मीटर. व्हाट वी विल फाइंड इन दिस क्वेश्चन? इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल फाइंड द एंगल मेड बाय दिस वायर. AC is wire made by this wire, angle made by this wire with horizontal. So this line EC is a horizontal line, and this is wire. एंगल बिटवीन देम, ये हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. एंगल मेड बाय दिस वायर विथ हॉरिजॉन्टल मींस वी विल फाइंड एंगल, दिस एंगल ACE. एंगल ACE is made by wire. This angle ACE is made by wire. किसके साथ में एंगल बन रहा है? with the horizontal. Now students, see this quadrilateral B, D, C and E. This is a rectangle. Why this is a rectangle? Its each angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And this angle will be 90 because of this is ground and this is horizontal, and we know that a horizontal is parallel to the ground. Horizontal means क्या होता है? जो ground के parallel में हो. If these two lines are parallel and this is considered as a transversal, then angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Supplementary means sum of two angles is 180 degree. If this is 90, then this angle will be 90. 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So students, in this quadrilateral, this angle is 90, this angle is 90, and this is also 90. Therefore, remaining angle will be 90 degree. Therefore, this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Now students, quadrilateral B, D, C and E. B, D, C and E is a rectangle. Quadrilateral B, D, C, E is a rectangle. Why this is a rectangle? Write its reason. Each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. This is the definition of rectangle. A quadrilateral is said to be a rectangle if its each angle is 90 degree. Therefore, student, this is a rectangle. Now, in this rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal means this CD is equals to BE. Now, CD is equals to BE. CD is equals to BE. Why these two sides are equal? Write its reason. Opposite sides of a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle. Now CD is how much? CD is 7 centimeter. CD is 7 centimeter. Therefore, BE is also 7 centimeter. 7 is the value of BE. Now student, this segment we get 7. This is 7. Now AB, we know that AB, this segment you see here, AB is equals to AE plus BE. AE प्लस BE, ये दोनों को हम क्यों प्लस कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉइंट्स B, E and A are collinear point. B dash E dash A. Now AB is given that 18 meter. This AB is given that 18 meter. Now substitute the value of AB is equals to AE plus BE, and BE is 7. Put the value of BE 7. Now this plus 7 taken this side becomes minus 7. 18 minus 7 is equals to AE. Therefore AE is equals to 11 meter. This is the value of A. Now student, pause the video and note down its solution. Now remaining part of the question is this segment AE we get 11 meter. Now in right angle triangle, this angle is 90, therefore this is also 90 degree. Now in right angle triangle AEC, in this right angle triangle two sides are known, this side AE and this hypotenuse. We will find this angle, and you know this side AE is opposite side of this angle, and this is the hypotenuse, and a relation between opposite side and hypotenuse represented by sine ratio. Therefore by using sine ratio we can find this angle. This angle means साइन ऑफ एंगल AC, इसको आप थीटा भी यहां कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. अगर नहीं कंसीडर किया है तो पूरा एंगल लिखेंगे, एंगल AC. नाउ साइन ऑफ एंगल ACE बाय यूजिंग द सेम फार्मूला, अपोजिट साइड ऑफ दिस एंगल अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. अपोजिट साइड ऑफ दिस एंगल इज ACE, इट्स अपोजिट साइड इज AE, अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, व्हिच साइड इज हाइपोटेन्यूज AC. Now students, this sine angle ACE is equals to AE. What is the AE? AE is 11 upon AC. AC is given that 22. Now 11 1 ja 11 2 ja. Therefore sine of angle ACE is equals to 2. Now after this step we can write half. In place of half we can write sine 30 degree, because of sine 30 degree is the value of sine 30 degree is half. Why we replace 1 by 2 by sine 30 degree? If both the sides, both the terms are same in sine or in cos or in tan, then we can compare both the sides and we find the measure of the angle. Now here write down sine 30 degree is equals to half. Therefore after comparing sine this angle is equals to sine 30 degree, therefore angle ACE is equals to 30 degree. Now write the answer. Therefore the angle made by the wire with horizontal is 30 degree. Are you clear? Once again I repeat its solution. In this question two poles are given. Length of one pole is 18 meter and length of other pole is 7 meter. Now we consider one pole is AB, its length is 18 meter, and other pole is CD, its length is 7 meter, and they are fastened by a wire हुज लेंथ इज 22 मीटर। इसके टॉप को, दोनों जो पोल हैं ए बी और सी डी, इसके टॉप को एक वायर से बांध दिया है और वायर का लेंथ कितना दिया है 22 मीटर। और फाइंड आउट क्या करना है, फाइंड द एंगल मेड बाय दिस वायर विथ हॉरिजेंटल। मतलब ये जो वायर है हॉरिजेंटल के साथ में कितना एंगल बना रहा है वो फाइंड आउट करना है। मींस वी विल फाइंड दिस एंगल ए सी ई, राइट। आफ्टर दिस we consider this quadrilateral and this quadrilateral is a rectangle. In this rectangle opposite sides are equal. This side CD is equals to BE. This side CD is 7, therefore this side BE also 7 meter, and AB is given that 18 meter. AB कितना दिया है 18 और BE कितना निकाला 7, therefore its रिमेनिंग पार्ट AE विल बी 11 मीटर। तो AE हमने निकाल लिया, कितना आया 11 मीटर। नाउ इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल AEC with respect to this angle its opposite sides are known 11 meter, and in this right angle triangle its hypotenuse are known 22 meter. Now opposite side and hypotenuse represented by the sine ratio, therefore we consider sine of this angle, sine of this angle। अगर आप यहाँ थीटा कंसीडर कर लेते हो तो यहाँ इसकी जगह हम लोग क्या पुट कर देंगे थीटा। फिलहाल हमने थीटा नहीं लिया तो सेम एंगल हम लोग लिखेंगे, साइन ऑफ दिस एंगल AC अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेनियस, दिस एंगल एंड इट्स अपोजिट साइड इज AE upon its hypotenuse AC. A is given that 11 and AC is 22. After cancellation we get 1 by 2. Sine of this angle is equal to 1 by 2. हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, एंगल AC। अब इधर साइन है तो इधर भी अगर साइन होता तो हम लोग कंपेयर कर लेते। तो therefore this half replaced by sin 30 degree, because of sin 30 degree its value is 1 by 2। तो ये 1 by 2 को हमने हटा दिया, क्या लिख दिया इसकी जगह sin 30 degree। then after comparing sin of this angle and sin of 30 degree, after comparing we get angle ACE is equals to 30 degree। एंगल ACE कितना आ गया 30 डिग्री। इट मींस एंगल मेड बाय द वायर विथ हॉरिजॉन्टल इज 30 डिग्री। I think all of you is clear of this sum. So pause the video and note down the solution. Now students, this is your fifth question. Now pause the video and note down the question. What is your question? A storm broke a tree and tree top rested 20 meter from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the tree. A storm broke a tree. Storm means आंधी या तूफान। broke a tree, कोई ट्री है उसको किसी एक पार्ट से, किसी एक पॉइंट से ऐसे ब्रेक हो जाता है। एंड ब्रोकन पार्ट रेस्टेड ऑन द ग्राउंड 20 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री, एंड दैट ब्रोकन पार्ट मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री विद द ग्राउंड। सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ड्रॉ इट्स डायग्राम। लेट दिस इज ground, let this line represent the ground, and suppose that this is the height of the tree, this is the height of the tree, and you know trees, buildings, any type of building, any type of structure always consider perpendicular to the ground. So student, this tree consider perpendicular to the ground. This tree broke due to storm. Suppose that from point C, this tree broke and tree top rested. Tree top. What is the tree top? Point A is tree top. Tree top rested on the ground and 20 meter from the base of the tree. Now this part AC is broken part, and this broken part is like this and takes the position, suppose that CD. Are you understand? AB is height of the tree before storm. आंधी आने से पहले segment AB represent whole height of the tree, and due to storm tree gets broken from the point C, and this broken part AC takes the position CD, and this part means top of the tree. This point is top of the tree. This broken part like this CD, and tree top rested on the ground 20 meter from the base of the tree. This point is base of the tree, and this point is 20 meter from base of the tree, and broken part, this broken part CD makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. So students, write what you consider in this diagram. Let segment AB represent a tree before storm, and due to storm की वजह से क्या हो गया? ट्री गेट्स ब्रोकन. कौन से पॉइंट से ट्री ब्रेक हो रहा है? पॉइंट सी से. ड्यू टू स्टॉर्म ट्री गेट्स ब्रोकन एट पॉइंट सी, and let broken part. Which part is broken part? This AC. Broken part AC takes the position. कौन सा पोजीशन ले लिया? Takes the position CD. It means AC is equals to CD. Let this is equation 1. Are you understand? AB represent whole height of the tree before storm, and due to storm tree gets broken from this point, and this broken part AC takes the position CD. Now this point, distance of this point from base of the tree is 20 meter, and this broken part making an angle 60 degree with the ground. Now BD is equals to 20 meter, and angle BDC. What is angle BDC? Angle BDC is an angle made by the broken part with the ground. And this angle BDC is given that 60 degree. Now student, in this question we will find height of the tree, means we will find this segment AB. क्या find out करना है? AB find out करना है. When we get the value of AC and the value of BC, after adding the value of AC and the value of BC, we get segment AB, and segment AB is height of the tree. So students, with help of this right angle triangle, by using trigonometric ratios, we can find this segment BC. ये right angle triangle में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करके हम लोग क्या फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, BC, एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग BC we use again trigonometric ratio, we can find CD or we can use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem भी इसमें यूज कर सकते हैं. Then we get CD and CD is equals to AC from equation 1, and when we get BC and AC and after adding AC and BC we get AB, and you know AB is the height of the tree. So students, now in this right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, in which right angle triangle, in right angle triangle CBD, in right angle triangle CBD कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो यूज करेंगे, दिस एंगल इज गिवन 60 डिग्री एंड BD इज इट्स एडजेसेंट साइड्स, BD is adjacent sides of angle 60 degree, and we will find BC, and you know BC is opposite side of 60 degree, and in this right angle triangle we will find opposite sides and its adjacent side is given, then we can use tangent ratio. Now in right angle triangle, this triangle CBD by trigonometric ratio, T for trigonometry, by trigonometric ratio, कौन सा trigonometric ratio यूज करेंगे, tangent, tan 60 डिग्री, tan 60 डिग्री, you know tan 60 डिग्री, tangent ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. Which side is opposite side? Opposite side BC. Opposite side of angle 60 degree is BC upon its adjacent side, and adjacent side is BD. Tan 60, you know the value of tan 60 is √3, and BC, we will find BC, and this BD is given that 20 meter. Right here tan 60 degree is equals to √3. This 20 taken this side becomes in multiplication, so 20 √3 is the value of BC. Therefore students, BC is equals to 20 √3. Let this is equation number 2. Now we get BC. What is the BC? 20 √3. Now in right angle triangle CBD we can apply Pythagoras theorem. हम लोग Pythagoras theorem अप्लाई करके CD फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, and also by using again trigonometric ratio we can find CD. By using this side is given, opposite sides are known and its adjacent sides are known. When we use cosine ratio, then I am taking adjacent side and hypotenuse in cosine ratio, and when we are going to use sine ratio, then its opposite sides are known and we will find its hypotenuse. तो चाहे cosine ratio यूज कर सकते हैं या फिर sine ratio यूज कर सकते हैं. Now complete the solution and write from here. Again by trigonometric ratio, we are going to use cosine ratio. Cosine ratio cos 60 degree, and you know cos 60 degree is equals to adjacent side. Which side is adjacent side? BD is its adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and you know CD is its hypotenuse. Then cos 60, you know the value of cos 60 is 1/2, and BD, and this BD is given that 20 upon CD. Right here cos 60 क्या यूज किया यहाँ पर, cos 60 is equal to 1/2. Therefore cos 60 is 1/2. Therefore by cross multiplication CD into 1, CD into 1 is CD, and 20 into 2, 20 into 2, therefore we get CD is equal to 20 into 2, कितना आ गया 40 meters. Now we will find the height of the tree, and you see height of the tree is AB. This is the sum of two segments, segment BC and segment AC. BC तो हम लोग निकाल चुके हैं, AC नहीं मिला है, but we get CD, and you know CD is equals to AC from this equation. If CD is equals to 40 meter, therefore AC is also equal to 40 meter. From this equation AC is equal to क्या है CD. CD is 40, therefore AC is equal to 40. यहां पर क्या लिखेंगे from equation 1. Now I rough it. You get AC is equals to 40 meter. Now we will find this AB. Therefore AB is equals to AC plus BC because of points A dash C dash B. What do you mean by A dash C dash B? A dash C dash B, it means these 3 points are collinear. If any 3 points are collinear, by 3 points we can make 3 segments. Sum of any 2 segments is equal to third segment, then the points are collinear. AC plus BC. AB is equals to AC, and AC is 40 plus BC. BC is 20 root 3. BC is 20 root 3. तो इसको इक्वेशन नंबर क्या डाल दिया, इक्वेशन नंबर 3. और यहाँ पर क्या क्या यूज किया, AC की वैल्यू पुट किया है फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3, एंड वी पुट BC फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2. राइट द रीजन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 2 and 3. Therefore this AB is equals to 40 plus 20 root 3. 40 plus 20 root 3, can you add these two numbers? No, because of this first number 40 is a rational number and second number 20 root 3 is an irrational number. If one number is rational, other number is irrational, then we cannot subtract, we cannot add. So answer is as it is, 40 plus 20 root 3 meter. Therefore this is the height of the tree. Therefore the height of the tree is height of the tree is 40 plus 20 root 3 meter. Pause the video and write down the solution. Now see your sixth question. Sixth question, it means last question of this practice set 6.2. Question is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Let this is the ground, and let point A is the position of kite. Point A represent the position of kite. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is tied at the ground. It makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Assuming that the string is straight, find the length of the string. Students, point A, consider the position of the kite, and this kite flying at a distance of 60 meter above the ground. एक काइट जो है कितने हाइट पे फ्लाई कर रहा है, कितने हाइट पे उड़ रहा है, 60 मीटर. Therefore this AB represent height of the kite from the ground, and this is given that 60 meter. This is the kite tied to a string, and this string making an angle of 60 degree, making an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Let this point is C. Now A is position of the kite, AB is height of the kite from the ground, which is given that 60 meter, and AC represent the string of the kite. AC क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? स्ट्रिंग ऑफ द काइट, स्ट्रिंग जिससे हम लोग पतंग को बांधते हैं, रस्सी उड़ाते हैं, दिस इज द स्ट्रिंग. एंड in this question student string assuming in a straight, but normally ऐसा नहीं होता. हम लोग काइट ऐसे उड़ाते हैं तो उसका जो थ्रेड होता है, जो उसकी स्ट्रिंग होती है, वो स्लोप में रहती है, स्ट्रेट में नहीं रहती. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी अज्यूम दैट दिस स्ट्रिंग इज इन अ स्ट्रेट, एकदम सीधा है. नाउ फाइंड length of the string. This is question number 6. Let point A is the position of the kite, and AB is height of the, किसका हाइट है? काइट का. AB is height of the kite from the ground, and this distance is given that 60 meter. It means AB is given that 60 meter, and its string, what is AC? AC is the string of the kite, and AC is the string of the kite, and this string making an angle 60 degree with the ground. Therefore angle ACB, this angle ACB is 60 degree. Now we will be find the length of the string. क्या find out करना है? Length of the string means we will be find length of the AC. Now student, this is a right angle triangle, and in this right angle triangle, this side AB is opposite side of 60 degree, and we will find hypotenuse. Opposite side hypotenuse. AB is opposite side of this angle 60 degree, and AC is its hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle AB, opposite side is known, and we will find hypotenuse. And you know the relation between opposite and hypotenuse represented by sine ratio. So students, in this right angle triangle we are going to use sine ratio. Now in right angle triangle ABC, by trigonometric ratio sine 60 degree is equals to, sine ratio is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Which side is opposite side? Side AB. So AB upon its hypotenuse is AC. Now the value of 60 degree is √3 upon 2. This is equal to AB, and AB is given that 60 upon AC. √3 by 2 is the value of sine 60 degree. So write here its reason. Sine 60 degree is √3 by 2. Now after this, by cross multiplication, √3 into AC is equals to 60 into 2. Therefore AC is equals to 60 into 2 is 120, and this √3 taken this side becomes in division. AC is equals to 120 upon √3. In this question the value of √3 is given, but here we cannot put the value of √3 because division will be difficult. अगर हम लोग यहां पे √3 की वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं, तो डिवीजन जो है प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट डिवीजन विल बी डिफिकल्ट. सो इन दिस step 120 upon √3 we rationalize the denominator. How to rationalize the denominator? How to rationalize the denominator? This AC is equals to 120 upon √3. How to rationalize the denominator? Because of its denominator is an irrational number. When we rationalize the denominator, then we multiply by √3 in numerator and denominator. So AC is equals to 120 into √3, and √3 into √3, you know this is 3. √3 into √3, actually this is √9, and you know square root of 9 is 3. So √3 into √3 is 3, and now this 120 cancel out by 3. इस 120 को हम लोग 3 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 3 1 जा, and this is 3 4 जा 12, और ये 0 हो गया. Therefore AC is equals to 40 √3. अपान में 1 है, ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now put the value of √3, and the value of √3 is 1.73. 1.73 into 40 is, ये 0 यहाँ रख दिया. 4 3 जा 12, 4 7 जा 28, 29, 4 1 जा 6, 2 डिजिट पे पॉइंट है, 1 2 यहाँ पॉइंट. Therefore AC is equals to 69.2 meter. What is AC? AC is the length of the string. So write the answer. Length of the string is, therefore length of the string of the kite is 69.2 meter. Now I repeat its solution once again. A consider position of the kite, and AB represent height of the kite from the ground, and AC is string of the kite which makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. And in this question we will find length of the string. It means we will find AC. And in this right angle triangle, this side is known, this side means opposite side of 60 degree, and we will find AC. AC means hypotenuse, opposite side hypotenuse represented by sine ratio. Therefore क्या हमने यूज किया? साइन रेशियो. साइन 60 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू दिस, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 60 डिग्री इज √3 upon 2 is equals to 60. AB is given that 60 upon AC. By cross multiplication, AC into this √3 and 2 into this 60. Therefore 120. This √3 taken this side becomes in division. AC is equals to 120 upon √3. In the question √3 is given. √3 की वैल्यू दिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट नहीं करेंगे. कर सकते हैं, लेकिन डिवीजन में प्रॉब्लम होगा, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. इसके लिए हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे हमने रेशनलाइज कर दिया. किसको रेशनलाइज किया? डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज किया. 120 into √3, and this √3 into √3 is 3. ये 3 से ये 120 कैंसिल हो गया. We get 40 √3 is the value of AC. Now in this step we substitute the value of √3. After multiplication we get 69.2 is the value of AC. It means the length of the string of the kite is 69.2 meter. So students, in this way we completed the practice set 6.2. Thank you.